for coming in today. Thank you for emailing us back and forth. I know you guys are really busy, and it's probably a lot of your time. So thank you again for coming. So I think first I want to go over some of the objectives of our interview today that we want to maybe touch on. So as you know, we are students. We're in third year, and we're doing this project first to learn about how to communicate science to the general public and to potential investors and stuff, how to take something very, very complicated but still very important and be able to convey that to people. So that's first, and then second, we wanted to do our interview on your paper because we thought that the topic that you did was very innovative. It was very interesting and very relevant lately. Personally, a bunch of us have been doing computer science. We all take statistics as a requirement, so it was really interesting to see this paper. So I guess first question's about you guys. So I went on your websites, did a little bit of snooping, and I just have a couple questions about where you went to school before and what interested you to pursue this particular subject for, I guess, your first paper and not your first paper, right? Yeah. And just a reminder, so since we're recording, we're going to be doing a lot of cut and pasting. So it's just really important to not speak over anyone else, just so it's clear audio for our recording. So thank you so much for understanding. Okay. So I guess we'll start this way. So Chung, I saw your website. Where did you go to school, and what interested you to pursue statistics?
I got my bachelor's degree from University of Science and Technology of China, and I did my master's here at UBC at Stats Department. So I think initially I want to learn, I'm very interested in math, and after the first 2 years I took math, I found myself a little bit difficult to understanding the theoretical stuff. So I become more interested in the applied side of the thing, and that's why I chose statistics. Yeah.
Great. Okay. What about you, Bo?
Yeah, my name is Bo. I did my undergrad in China at Peking University, also in pure mathematics. I have a pretty much similar background as Chung. Maybe that's why our collaboration is so smooth. Anyways, I did my undergrad in pure math, but I think the course probability really changed my interest in math. So after taking that probability course, I want to know how to apply those probability theories into real world. And statistics is basically an application of probability theory. And so after finishing my undergrad, I went to UCLA in California for a master's degree in statistics. And then after that, I worked in LA for 2 years before coming to UBC for a PhD in statistics.
Cool. So you guys have a lot of knowledge in your fields, of course. Okay, so maybe let's just kind of dive into the project that you guys did, the investigation.
Sure.
So our first question would be, so we understand that using AI, artificial intelligence, it's a very up and coming technology. So let's say, because it is, as you understand, it's very complicated. So let's say you were explaining it to a 10-year-old. How would you go about doing that? Maybe you can go first. And I've got whiteboard markers, so if you want to draw anything out, let me know. And that was a very loaded question.
Let me think about it. Do you have any idea?
Yeah, I feel like because my background is in statistics, I feel like AI nowadays is a fancy word, but under AI, it's just statistics. It's just statistical models. So what a statistical model does is basically generate, you can think of it as a black box. So any statistical model, you can think of it as a box. So to train this box, you need some data. So after you show the box more data, the box becomes more capable of doing either prediction or inference. So basically, after you show the model a bunch of training data, it can do predictions for you. So basically, if you give it a new data, it can tell you what's the label, or what's the information, or what's the signal inside the test data.
So I think it's just like the learning process of a human being. So as you trying to learn to write, so you just mimic all the handwritings like by your parents or from anyone else, and then as you keep learning and eventually you will learn to how to write. That's how we actually do this project.
Okay, great, thank you.